Friday night. Come see what I'm making for dinner. Okay, it is Friday night and I am having dinner. Now I tell you that my family members have been cooking food for me, my nieces and my nephews, so I'm going to show you what I'm having tonight. Just going to show you the bowl of soup that I'm having because I am not presentable right now. This is what I have. It is a wonderful, delicious bowl of soup. My niece Brittany made me this delicious, homemade chicken noodle soup. It is amazing. I wish you could smell it. And actually, she made this for me when my daughter first passed away. So I put me 2 containers in the freezer, and I pulled me one out tonight rather. Y'all look at this soup. Look at this delicious chicken noodle soup. It is homemade. Mmm. Thank you, Lord, for this food and nourishment for the body that is absolutely delicious. Oh my goodness. Those seasoning that she put in there, I don't know what it is, but homemade chicken noodle soup. Mmm. Mmm. That's very good. Very, very good. The seasoning, the chicken, or noodle, what's your good bite? It's so good. So good. Mmm. It's just right for what I need tonight. Give y'all another bite. Homemade chicken noodle soup made for my niece Brittany. Another delicious warming meal. Thank you all for watching. Keep God out front and be blessed.